How many of you like to earn a lot of money? दोनों हाथ ऊपर. हाथ नीचे. अभी दे दो मुझे. अभी दे दो. How many of you would like to earn a lot of money? Put your hands up. दिल से बोलो. Yes or no? How many of you like to earn a lot of money? दोनों हाथ ऊपर. हाथ नीचे. अभी दे दो मुझे. अभी दे दो. Yes or no? No, but अच्छे खुला आसमान तो you can look in the sky. Look at the sky. कुछ लोग तो देख रहे कब आएगा पैसा? You want a lot of money? Yes or no? Your financial remuneration is equally proportionate to the value that you bring to an organization. Did you hear that? अगर आप लिख रहे हैं, your remuneration or the money that you earn is equally proportionate कि जो value of organization को लाते हैं. Yes or no? तो क्या organization बहुत सारा value लाते हैं? हाँ या ना? Now here is an interesting thing. Bobby D'Souza would work for Godrej, your company, and would say, यार मुझे इतना salary मिलता है, company अच्छा नहीं है. Here is the truth. सिर्फ आपको उतना पैसा मिलता है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि सबको उतना पैसा मिलता है. Would you say yes? An organization gives you financial value according to the value that you bring to the organization. Yes or no? Now मेरे साथ बोलिए, if I bring a lot of value for the organization, I will get a lot of value. And remember.